There is a sound you want to hear. Air. There was no air. I pressed the little button and waited for the wind, but nothing started spinning inside the server's mind. A light came weakly alive. One disk woke up tired, but the fan stayed completely still, like it had quietly retired. I pushed the cable gently. I spoke to it like a friend, but it chose silence as its final argument. The fan won't start, and the heat is building slow. I hold my hand above the case and feel my faith let go. The fan won't start, but the server tries anyway, like a tiny warm disaster, trying to survive the day. Trying to survive the day. The temperature rose politely, not fast, but enough to make my confidence feel very small and rough. I said, just 1 minute, then I'll back up right now. But 1 minute became panic, and panic became smell somehow. A fan is not important until it is the only thing missing. No wind, just blink. No cooling, just click. A fan won't start, and the night is getting long. I hear the hard drives humming their final mechanical song. I ordered a new one. I should have done that 3 years earlier.